Hi, everybody. There has been so many questions that I have been receiving from so many of my classmates, the new students that I meet. Everybody wants to know about how to do referencing, right? And I know it could be a very difficult job if you're doing referencing manually. It could take a lot of time and it can be, or most of the time, you'll end up doing it wrong, all right? So today I'm going to show you a walkthrough process. If you follow that process, your referencing is going to be always right, 100% right, and you will never lose marks on referencing. All right. So let's begin how to do referencing. I'll just share my screen with you, and then I'll take you through a walk-by-walk process how to do that. All right. So I hope you can see my screen right now. So one of the first thing that we need to do is that we have to go to Google. All right. And you need to download the software that is required to do the referencing. And the software is Mendeley Reference Manager. All right. Here we have Mendeley Reference Manager. When you go to this website, go to this first link, Mendeley Reference Manager. And then from here, download it from this option right there, as you can see on the top of the screen, or maybe from here, just download the Mendeley Reference Manager. That is the first step. So once you download the exe file onto your computer, run that exe file and install the Mendeley software into your computer. All right. Now, once you have installed the Mendeley software, it will look like this. Let me change my screen for you. So here you go. I hope it is visible now. So this is how the Mendeley software is going to look like. All the references that you will bring here will be here. There is a specific file that we have to download, which is the step number 2. Now I'll explain you how to do that from Google. All right. So after the software is installed, now what you have to do is you have to go to Google. All right. And I'll just give you an example, okay, like how to do it. Let's say, just a second. Okay, I think I need to make my screen visible again. I'll share my screen. There you go. There you go. All right. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to go to Google and find the reference file of your textbook. Or if there is an article, you just need to find that article wherever it is. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to refer your textbook. I'll make another video to show you how to use referencing and how to put articles and how to use them as referencing. All right. So the very first step is in the tab, just copy and paste the name of your book. Like, for example, I'm using this Harrison C. 2018 Leadership Theory and Research, a critical approach to new and existing paradigms. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just copy and paste the name of my textbook, and I'm going to press enter. All right. When I press enter, all I have to do is I have to look for the link which says that Google Books, most reliable source. All right. Most of your textbooks will be on Google Books. So what I need to do is then I need to click this link, let the page load. And then in this page, you have to go scroll to the bottom of the page. And at the bottom of the page, you will see here, export citation right here. All right. Export citation. It's right there. I'll just help you to see this one right there, export citation. And then there will be this file called as reference manual. All right. So this is where you need to click this file, reference manual. Once you click on the reference manual, it will automatically start downloading this file. As you can see right here at the top corner. Let me just help you to see this one again. Wait a second. There you go. As you can see that it is the file with RIS extension, that is reference file. It is downloaded to my downloads. Now we go to the next step. So the next step after this is that I have to go to my reference manager. That is my Mendeley tool. Okay. And then I need to do add new right there at the top. All right. If you can see right there. Okay. Or I'll just show you with annotation right there. You have to go to this button right there, add new. And when you click on this button, add new, it will ask you from where you want to add the reference, right? You say from my computer. And then from your computer, you let it open. You go to the downloads And in the download, you will have that. First of all, you need to change these custom files to all files. And then it will show this RAS file, as you can see it right here. All right. Right here, it is your RASI file that we want to export. Then you need to click it and open it. And then this reference is going to be here as it is. You can see right here, your reference file is now in the Mendeley software. So up till this point, you have the reference file in Mendeley software. Now we have to go to the MS Word and we have to learn how to use this file as a reference in your MS Word document. All right. So let me just stop the screen share and go to the MS Word file. I just have a template, it's a random template that I have right now. Now, for example, let's say I'm talking about this first line, okay? This line. And I know this line is from my textbook and I want to refer this textbook. So another thing, when you enter the MS Word, you have to go to this tab called as reference. It's right there, as you can see, okay? All right, if you don't know, I'll just let you know. Here is your reference tab in your MS Word, okay? Then you need to do is just click on this reference tab, all right? And as you click on this reference tab right there, it will, wait a second, I'll click again. As you click on the reference tab, you will see on the right side corner, you will have the option for the Mendeley software. Wait a second. As we click on this reference file, right there is your Mendeley software on the right corner. Now you need to click on this Mendeley, okay? And then it will ask you to sign in. Obviously, you need to have an account, which you will make when you are initially downloading the software. You need to go to the Google and make an account for the Mendeley, okay? And then let it load. It will load all the references files that you have here in reference manual. And once they are here, we'll just follow the next step, all right? And in the meanwhile, you don't have to do anything. All right, so you see, this is the book that I want to refer right there. If you can see, it's right there, research one. This is the book I want to refer, right? So what I'm going to do is that simply, let's say this is the point where I want to refer, this leadership one. I'll go and select this from here and I do insert citation. And here I go. Here is my reference, Harrison 2017. It's right there. I have referred my book, right? That's how you do referencing, right? Now, as you will keep doing more and more referencing, as you can see that, in my book here, there are so many different referencing, right? I'll show you, what is the next step. All right. As you can see that, there are so many references in my book. There is one, this right there. This one is there. And then this one is there. And then there are some more there. This one is there, right? So this is the way you will have so many references in your papers, right? So what you need to do at the end of the book, at the end of the, paper, as we all know, we have to insert that bibliography, right? So how we do that at the end, and it's very easy from Mendeley, guys. If you're using Mendeley, it's not difficult at all. Let's say we are doing this bibliography. I'm just using the short word. How to insert the bibliography is very easy, You see in your Mendeley right here, there are 3 dots right here. All you need to do is just wait for the magic now. All you need to do is click on these 3 dots and go to this insert bibliography. And it will ask you, would you like to insert the bibliography in the current location? Say yes. And you see right here, bang, here it is, my dear friends. All the references that you have used in your textbook right now or used in your essay are going to be here as a form of bibliography. Saves a lot of time, gives every location and everything. That's how you do referencing, and it's going to be 100% right every single time. All right, so that's about textbook. I'll make another video to do how to do it from web pages and all that stuff. But for now, rewatch this video again so that you can, or maybe when you're doing it for the first time, just watch the video, do the step, watch the video, do the step, watch the video, do the step, so that you don't make mistake on any step. All right. And in case you have questions, feel free to drop me a message. My email address is mentioned in the caption of this video. In the description of this video, I'll also give you my WhatsApp number, or I'll give you my Instagram account. Just go there and drop me a message. I'll let you know how to move further. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with someone whom you think this video can benefit them. And I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye.